Merhaba. Today I am sharing one of the most talked about healthy chocolate recipe in Turkey right now. This recipe was shared by famous Turkish model and TV personality Çağla Şıkel and it has become incredibly popular. Made with coconut butter, cacao, tahini, honey, and your favorite nut. This delicious treat is simple, healthy, full of flavor. People say that once you take one bite, it is hard to stop at just one. Let's make it together and see why people love it so much. Melt coconut butter in a bowl. Add tahini, cacao powder and honey. Mix well, it becomes smooth and silky. Add nuts and mix well. I have mixed cranberries, fig, almonds, walnut, cherries and pumpkin seeds. Pour the mixture into the silicone cups. Place in the freezer until completely firm. That is it. Our delicious homemade chocolate is ready to eat. I make myself a cup of Turkish coffee to enjoy my chocolate. Because it contains coconut butter, it can melt easily at room temperature. So be sure to keep it in the freezer. Whenever you are craving something sweet, simply take out as many pieces as you want and enjoy. I'll see you in my next video.